Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to fix Safari cannot open the page on MacBook. Right? First of all, what we need to do, we need to change date and time. So open the system preferences. Inside, hit date and time. Okay. And then what you're going to do, let me click here to authenticate or unlock, of course, the feature, right? Because of the security. Inside, you're gonna be able to change the date and of course the time zone. Okay, you can always change the region in case you probably relocated somewhere else, right? Also here in the time zone, you can set the time zone automatically using current location, right? Or you can just set it manually. Next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna reset the Wi-Fi settings, right? We're gonna use a different Wi-Fi. So let me go back here and open the Wi-Fi at the top here, right? As you can see, I'm using 5G. I could just go ahead and open the network preferences inside here, okay? Right? And inside, you're gonna see this is the network name, okay? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and forget it, right? So, or I can just go ahead and turn the Wi-Fi off, right? And reopen it again, and that should fix the problem. Lastly, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go back, right? Hit the Apple icon at the top left, and just restart, okay? That will fix your problem. Consider liking this video, subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.